Got us a fight here, boys. Look at that fucking thing just bend that rod, dude. Oh, shit.
Out here about 15 minutes in this spot, almost about 8 o'clock on Saturday the 21st.
That fucker does not want to come up off the bottom.
We're down here fishing a little catfish contest.
We're gonna win this, Tim.
First fish of the night here. Tim's got a pretty good fight going on.
There we go. Nice flat.
Seeing some color, Tim?
Yeah. Probably a 15-pound flat. And the flats, they come up real easy, and they get to the boat and they panic, and they really dive down. They don't want to come up. Here he comes. Ooh, is it a fucking channel? It could be a channel.
Not giving up too easy, is he?
No.
Nice one. Looks like a channel.
Yep. Oh yeah.
Ready for the net?
Yep.